Hello, my athletes. Welcome to this New Year Fitness Challenge by CureFit. This is Nikki here, and I welcome you all to Day 3 HIIT Challenge. If you are joining us today, then please check the playlist link in the description to begin this 10 days New Year Fitness Challenge. We wish each and every one of you a wonderful year ahead in 2021, alright? This is a 10 days fitness challenge where we'll be releasing one workout video the next 7 days, alright? This challenge by CureFit includes cardio challenge for day 1, abs challenge for day 2, HIIT for day 3, and this goes on till a complete full body workout challenge on day 10, alright? So, this challenge series will include a wonderful fun mix of workouts and movements that you can do at the comfort of your house with your own body weight, no equipments required. Okay guys, in today's challenge, we'll be focusing on getting some high intensity interval training or HIIT, which is going to start working on your entire body as we are going to perform 4 movements for 45 seconds each with a 15-second break in between to get that active burn. Remember, in those 15 seconds, I'm going to explain you the next movement, alright? So, as this is day 3 of your fitness challenge, I request each one of you to push yourself and we'll be increasing the pace each and every day, alright? Okay, I would like to welcome all of you on this wonderful journey that you'll be part of through CureFit's YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do it so, okay? Okay guys, let's start with the workout. So before we begin, please don't forget to grab your water bottle, a towel and your yoga mat, and we'll start with the workout. Okay, also remember, to get the best results, please perform all the 4 movements at least 2 to 3 times today, alright? Okay guys, I'm excited, I'm pumped. Let's go, day 3 HIIT. Let's start. Okay, beginning with our first movement, that's called jumping jacks. A very good conditioning movement as well. It's going to bring your heart rate up. So how you perform a jumping jack? First, feet together. You're going to jump out. At the same time, when you're jumping out, your hands come up. Alright? So jump out, hands come up. When you jump in, hands come down. Alright? 45 seconds on the clock in 3, 2, 1, go. You don't have to go with full intensity in the beginning. Just get familiar with the movement. And slowly, when you get comfortable, we're gonna increase the pace, alright? Keep going, guys, keep going. Keep going. Okay, now, if you wanna scale this movement down, all you need to do is do a step jack. So you're gonna step out, in, okay? This is what you're gonna do if you're a beginner or if you just wanna scale the movement altogether, alright? Keep going, guys. Don't give up. Keep going. Few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Okay guys, moving on to our second movement, that is called side to side push up. Your hands a little wider than your shoulder width. From here, you're going to move your body weight to one side and to the other side. That's all, okay? This is going to work beautifully on your chest, your shoulders, your triceps. Okay guys, few more seconds of rest remaining and then we'll start, alright? And let's go. And to the other side. Slow and easy. I know it's a little tough, but please don't compromise on your form. Keep going, okay? Now, my beginners, what you can do a regular knee push-up, palms right under your shoulder. From here, keep your core engaged and go up and down. This is what you can do, alright? Keep going. Last few seconds, guys. No giving up. I'm going back to side to side. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Great job. Good job, guys. I know that was a little tiring. Okay, guys, done with movement number 2. Movement number 3, switching lunges, or you can even call it as jump lunges, right? So what you're going to do, you're going to come to a lunge position first. From here, you're going to jump and switch. So when you're switching, remember to jump. This is a very good movement. Apply your movement. You're going to feel it on your lower body, all right? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep going, guys. Remember, when you're switching, you're jumping. And try not to touch your knee to the floor, okay? So if you want to scale it down, you can all just do a normal alternating lunge. Stationary alternating lunge, okay? Keep going. Chest out. Remember, chest out. Don't round your back. Let's jump. Keep going, guys. I know your heart rate is up. This is going to bring your heart rate up. You're gonna feel a burn in your quads, because mine is burning. In 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Okay, guys. Great job. Moving on to the fourth movement, Russian twist. Sit down on the mat, legs slightly bent from here. Rotate your hand from one side to the other. Your body also follows your hand, alright? Few more seconds of rest. Last movement, guys. Stay ready. 15 seconds is gonna come close now. In 3, 2, 1, go for it. Okay, keep your back straight. No rounding. This is gonna work beautifully on your obliques, your core muscles. So keep going, okay? No stopping. Keep going. And keep breathing as well. If you want to scale it down, you can keep your feet down and go from one side to the other. This way. Alright? Keep going. Few more seconds. Almost there. Stay with me in 5, 4, 3, 2, and there we go, guys. We are done with day 3 HIIT challenge. Congratulations. Really proud of you guys. You guys just did it. You guys just finished day 3. Day 3 is done and dusted, guys. You guys deserve a pat on yourself, on your back. Do pat yourself because you guys did a fabulous job. Thank you for joining in with me and working out with me, guys. You guys are fabulous. So also one more point, guys. This workout challenge, I hope it does motivate you to stay fit, to stay healthy for the rest of your life and not just the next 10 days, alright? Do remember to eat healthy, sleep well and hydrate plenty, alright? Sleep and hydration are the 2 important things that is required to recover from a workout. Please do that, alright? So also, guys, remember in tomorrow's video, we have upper body challenge. That is going to be our day 4 challenge for you guys. We are going to upload that at 8 a.m. IST in our CureFit YouTube channel, alright? On that note, don't forget to do this, all the 4 movements, right? 2 to 3 times today to get best results, guys. Trust me, 2 to 3 times the entire 4 movements, you'll get your results there, okay? Also, I'm gonna talk to you about our CureFit app. In that app, you're gonna work with lots of fabulous trainers who are gonna guide you, help you through your workout journey. Do give it a try. Also, if you log into our app, if you join our app through the link in the description, or if you are the first one to comment in the video, you guys are gonna get 14 days free access to our app, okay? So treat yourself with our CureFit Live program, which can be the best addition to your fitness journey this year. Okay, guys, do let us know in the comment section below what your New Year fitness resolution goals are, alright? So stay tuned to our CureFit channel. Do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And also, you can save it to your watch later section or create a new playlist altogether so you can come back again, work out with me, alright? On that note, I'll be signing off. Make sure you eat right, sleep well, drink plenty of water. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.